Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing superbly great. And and the preparations for December 2021 term, I'm talking about the CA intermediate students, and I hope that your preparations are going really well. And this is the time when you need a special boost for your preparations, and for that special boost I have come up with a special gift for all of you, a special opportunity, once in a while opportunity. I can say I've come up with the special courses for all of you. Just watch the video till the end, because we have a special, very special information for all of you, and you people can really gain from these two courses that I'm going to tell you. Very important courses, very helpful courses, I can say. So do not miss out on any information. So watch the video till the end. The first course that I have come up with, a very special course, is the Cost Accounting Fast Track course with the soft copy of handbooks. Sir, what is special about this course? See, I'm going to tell you a few things. The first thing is, one second. Right. So the first thing is, this course is available in two languages. One is Hindi language, or I can say Hindi English mix. Right. And the other one is, this course is available in completely English language also. Right. And secondly, what is the duration of this course? Fast track course, approximately, sir, 45 hours, in which we have covered 100% concepts we have covered, along with the practical problems. So for some people, it is hard to believe that we can cover it in 45 hours. But believe me, join this course. You will say, sir, yes, we can cover it in the 45 hours. All the concepts in detail with examples, and you will get 100% concept clarity. It might be difficult for some people to digest, but yes, you people can do it. We have done it, you people can do it, along with the soft copy of the handbooks. Right? So immediate access will be there on our Android mobile app. I'll tell you everything about it. Soft copy of the handbook, sir, this will be available on the app itself. You can open it in the app itself, right? It will not be downloadable or printable. It will not be, right? So you can open it in the app itself. Now, what about the duration, sir? It will be a 3 months course. मतलब 3 months की validity है आप लोगों के पास, right? So the validity of this course will be, validity is 3 months. Whether you join the Hindi English mixed batch or you join the English batch, the validity is going to be 3 months for both, right? Sir, what about the views? Any restriction on the views? You have 2 hours of viewing for each lecture, right? With the multiple clicks. That means if you have watched for 15 minutes and closed the lecture, then you can, your 15 minutes will be counted and not the views. Okay. So this is an additional advantage that we are providing to you in this course, right? Otherwise, what we have been doing earlier is providing the 2 views, right? So if you open the lecture and do not complete it and close it, it will be counted as a view. But now, instead of views, we are providing you with the 2 hours of viewing. So you can click it multiple times. That is totally up to you. Now, most important thing, sir, what is the price of this course? This is a special gift for all of you. The price of this course is only 999. That is 999 is the price of this course that we have quoted. It is for a very limited period of time, right? So this is a special course, complete cost accounting fast track course with the soft copy of the handbooks in 999. Sir, this is the best opportunity to cover the concepts, to practice the questions, and get the best copy of the handbooks, right? You can cover the concepts from this handbooks, and last day during the revision days also, these are going to be very helpful. The duration, the validity will be 3 months. So be careful with this thing. No extensions will be given at all, right? Views, I have told you, 2 hours of viewing for each lecture, available in Hindi English mix and English language. Clear? So this is the first course that you can really make use of, and the price is only and only 999. No additional charges, nothing else. The second course, this is the first course. The second course, one second. The second course that we have launched is Cost Accounting Fast Track course with the soft copy of handbooks. And the third thing that we have added in this is the ICAI Study Mat Question Discussion Series, in which We are going to discuss each and every question of ICI, including the illustrations, including the back questions. We have been focusing on the critical areas where you people are expected to commit mistake in the examination and how to avoid those mistakes. उन mistakes को किस तरह से हम लोगों ने avoid करना है वो सब कुछ हम लोगों ने series में discuss किया है. Right? All the questions are discussed, nothing to worry about it. So that means if we see the trend analysis of ICI, 50 to 60% or 60 to 65% paper is set from this ICI SM only, right? So if you can do this series sincerely, along with the concept coverage from this fast track, along with the concept book from the handbooks, along with the question book you can practice from here, right? So this is a complete package for you people, complete package, including the concepts, including the practice question, including the complete coverage of ICI module, right? The thing in this course is available as of now only in Hindi English language mix. Hindi English mix. It is not completely available in English. Why, sir? Because this ICI SM series is currently not available in English, right? We are in the process of making, we'll make it available very soon, but currently, as on date, it is not available in English. So this complete course is available in Hindi English mixed language, right? Soft copy of handbooks remains the same, validity remains the same, views remain the same for all the videos, right? There are going to be, if we combine this video and this videos, there are going to be approximately 110 videos, 111 something around, right? That you have to do. The duration of each video is approximately 30 to 40 minutes, right? Whether it is a fast track course or it is an ICI SM series, so it is approximately 30, 40, 45 minutes around, right? Views and validity remain the same. The validity 3 months, views 2 are again available on the app. Now, most important thing, sir, what is going to be the price? The price is 1499. Right? This is the price for this course, in which you will be getting the fast track, the soft copy of handbooks, and the ICI SM series. So I don't think this is a bad deal. This is a complete package covering your concepts also, covering your practice question also, covering your ICI module also, sir, at just 1499. Right? So these are the two special courses that we have just launched. Right? Now, the important thing is how to access these courses at this price. This is a very limited period of time that we are providing at this prices, so do not miss out on this opportunity. Later on, we are not going to entertain, if the prices are revised, we are not going to entertain any request at this of providing these courses at this price, right? This is for a very limited period of time for December 21 students. So guys, do not miss out on this opportunity. A complete fast track course is 999 with soft copy of handbooks, and with ICI SM series it is for 1499. The best opportunity that you can avail, and the best opportunity to score the maximum marks in cost accounting. Maximum marks, sir. Target 80 plus. Target 80 plus. If you are going to cover all this thing, I can assure you, you can definitely go 60 plus. Definitely go 60 plus, and there is no range beyond 60 plus. You can go 84, 85, 90s, anything, right? What we are doing is we are providing you the best of content. Now, it depends upon you how hardworking you are, right? Whether you want to take that advantage or not, that is totally up to you. This is for you people, right? We have created these courses for you people, and this is just the price we are providing it as on the cost only, right? Whatever the cost we have to incur, we are providing cost to cost basis. That is for the benefit of you people only, so that you can crack it in the best way and score the best marks in the examination. And as you all know, the KSJ Teaching has always maintained one thing, that quality education need not be costly. That's why our full courses are available on our YouTube channel, KSJ Teaching, right? So that's our motto. We have always stood on that. Right? On that basis only we are providing these courses at these prices. Now, the important thing, sir, how to avail these courses. You simply have to download our Android mobile app, KSJ Teaching, right? Not available on the iOS. These courses are available only and only on our mobile app. The videos will run on the mobile app. The soft copy of handbooks you can open only in the mobile app, right? It will not be downloadable or printable. That is for the security reasons. So what you have to do is you have to download our Android mobile app, KSJ Teaching. The link is given in the video description. You can download it from there, right? And log into the app, go to the store section. In the store section, you will find both the courses. Basically, 3 courses you will find. One is for the Hindi English Fast Track 999. Another one you will find English Language 999. Another one you will find, the third course that you are going to find is this one at 1499. Guys, go for it. Right, share with maximum people, and if you like the information, like the videos and share with the maximum people. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so that you get all such important notifications. And already you know our English batch is on the way, right? And I hope you all are enjoying and sharing with the maximum people. So this was the important information that I wanted to share with you people, that you can make the maximum benefit out of these 2 courses. Now don't miss out on the opportunity. Whether you want to take that opportunity or not, it is upon you. Think wisely, invest wisely, right? Take the opportunities that come your way so that you do not have to regret tomorrow. That is a really important thing, right? So see you guys. All the best. Keep studying, keep sharing. All the best. Thank you so much.